Alrighty, hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you all how to set up your Facebook campaign for advertising and selling products, specifically. So this is once you've got your Meta Business Suite set up and your Meta Business Manager set up as well. So you want to go over to your ads manager, so your business manager, and then go into campaigns, and you will be prompted to this page here. So this is basically your dashboard for the campaign. First of all, you want to hit the create button, and this is your sales objective. This is your campaign objective. So this is what you want from your campaign. But we want sales. Choose nothing else other than sales for your website. Click continue. We're going to be in the campaign section here. This is where you name the campaign, and you just want to name it like the product you're running or your brand name or something identifiable. And I always keep a campaign budget of $50 a day. Scroll down, click next, and this is your ad set. So I always just go ad set number 1. And if you were to duplicate them, you would just name it number 2, number 3, and so on. Okay, so when you're in this section, so basically you want the conversion location to be website, and then you always want it to be maximized number of conversions, not page views, not link clicks, otherwise it won't give you sales. So you want it to be maximized number of conversions. Now the data set, this is your pixel, so this is how Facebook tracks how many purchases you get from one ad on the store. This is basically how you're going to be able to scale, otherwise it will just be acting blindly. So you want to go to Shopify and download Facebook and Instagram. Do all this on the same window and do the whole thing the way you set it up. It'll just prompt you for a setup thing, and the data sharing should be maximum, and you want to go back to the ads manager and create a pixel. So just name it whatever, create it, and put your store link into the authorization section that'll pop up there, and then click send test traffic, and it will send some test traffic over, and then it'll have a tick, so you just click done. And then you go back to Shopify and then refresh it, click the maximum again, and then do the same, click the same pixel that you just created, but you've got to refresh the page first, and then click done, and then it will have like a little loading button. Once that is complete, go back to your ads manager, and attribution model should always sit at standard because you're a smaller brand. Budget and schedule, never set an end date. I always go the next day, 12 a.m. and then so tomorrow I'll have a full day of testing. So it utilizes all the budget and utilizes all the time it needs to make the sales and collect the data. So after that, you're at the audience section. Now this is in the location section here. This is where you can choose what country you want to advertise to. So yeah, the top 5: Australia, UK, America, Canada, all that sort of stuff. For example, for an example today, I'm going to keep it at Australia. I never do Australian testing, not for now at least. I always do US, but yeah. Then click next, then the blue next button here. Now this will be your individual ads. So all the individual ads are stored within the ad sets within the campaigns. Hopefully you can get a bit more understanding there about the actual campaign layout, because a lot of people get confused with that when they're first starting off. So the individual ad, I always just name my ad number 1, and then you do ad number 2, ad number 3. Your Facebook page, select the page you want, and if you don't have an Instagram account connected to that, just click the option and it says use Facebook page, or you can create a custom, or you can create an Instagram account straight from here. So the ad setup, always click manual upload, and then always click single image or video, and then turn this off. Now the destination, this will be where your potential customer will land on when they click shop now on the ad. So this will be your product page URL. So copy and paste your product page URL, paste it in here. And then after that, this is the actual video or picture ad you're wanting to create. So click setup creative, and you can either choose from image or video. I'm just going to do video. Don't worry about really any of this. Click next. Okay, so click upload right here. and it's gonna upload whatever ad you want, and then we're gonna just wait for this to load up. Alrighty, so once your ad is uploaded, click the blue next button, and you can trim the video here if you want, but just edit it before you upload it in. Click skip and continue, and then make sure all of these are at a original. Alright, you don't want to mess with the placements and cropping of the video. Click next. Now we'll do this later. Click next. I always just have these on because if they can add improvements by themselves, why not? So yeah, I just click done. Your first video will be uploaded into this system. Now you just want to scroll down a bit, and this is where you want to write all of your text for the video. That's gonna show right here. So I usually ask ChatGPT for a description. This is 10%, like this matters 10%. Not everyone reads it. Your video is what matters the most, alright? Ask ChatGPT to write your primary text for a Facebook ad, alright? Alright, so this is done. Don't worry about what is in the text, it's just text. I just wrote some random stuff. The headline here, I just forgot to mention, is where you want to put your offer. So that's what the headline is, what most people will read. And then this is your CTA, your call to action. Always put it at shop now. So that's all done. Your first ad is all done. And then if you want multiple ads, just click duplicate, and number of copies 1, duplicate, and then just have a different name, add 2, and then delete your video, and then add a new one in. Same process as before. Next, upload your video, click done, and then so on. And then once you've done that, click publish, and there you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you run Facebook ads. You guys, please subscribe. It only helps me help more people. I'll see you guys in the next one.